The Bible said that by faith Noah moved with fear. God commanded him, and the Bible said he moved. That was what his faith could use in. His faith would use fear. Building an ark. He did not build the ark for 50 years. He was building ark for hundreds of years. Did you know what that meant? And Noah, because he understood who God is, that the Lord has given the commandment, and how his servants must carry it out. Despite what people say or what people will say, he went on. He carried on, and he was building. He was building. He was building. 50 years. Noah, where is the rain? I may not see the rain, but the Lord said something. He told me to build this house. 100 years. Noah, where is the rain? I may not have seen the rain, but the Lord said something to me. He told me to build this house. He saw the cloud, and it looked like, what? The rain is going to fall. And the rain started falling. And he discovered that truly the Lord spoke to this man. Why? Because he knew who he was interacting with. That's what those guys use their faith for. They use their faith to accomplish the desires of God. They use their faith to accomplish the will of God. They use their faith to do the things of God. That's what they want. No one desires.